Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, finally, I have my Boxycharm Premium. My Lux still hasn't shipped, but I've got my Premium. Let's get in here and check it out. So like I say every month, I have no idea what's in here. There are probably 6 to 7 products in here. I picked one of them. Everything else is a mystery. So the Boxycharm Premium, if you subscribe to it, you can get every month. It is $35. It has 6 to 7 products in it, a $175 or more value. You can get that every month. This is a month where if you only have one account and you get the base box, but you also get Lux, we will not get a base box. So I won't have a base box this month, but I will have a Lux. In theory, it still hasn't shipped. My pop-up order has shipped, but my Lux hasn't shipped yet. And that is $50, $49.99, and it will have probably 7 to 8 products in it. I think guaranteed $250 value or more. And if you get the base box, that is a $25 box with 5 products in it and a $125 value or more. So this is the premium. It is the middle box, and you can get this one every month. I keep thinking on the months that there's a Lux box, I wish I had a base because they're so different now. They used to be kind of the same, but they can be so different now that I kind of miss my base box on Lux month. So I've thought about adding another account to do the base box. I just can't decide. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys done that? I know some of you have because I've seen you unboxing them. All right, let's open up my Premium and see what variation I got. I heard somebody say that they thought there were 100. I don't know how many there are, but that is what I've got. So let's just dig right in. All right, and reaching right in on top, we have the card, and it says Boxycharm Glam Vibes Only. And I'm variation number 9. Number 9? That is a pretty low number for me this month. And I just noticed that right on top, I have my choice product. I had forgotten about this. My choice product is actually, I'm just gonna be passing it along. But you know what? We'll start with that, and then I can tell you my story. This is the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. It is 0.8 fluid ounces. This month we could choose this or a Marc Jacobs moisturizer. I went in and looked at it. I knew I couldn't use the moisturizer. I then went back in like 12 seconds and the lighter color of the two of these had sold out. So I had to take the darker color, and it's a highlighter. Yeah, I can't highlight with this color. So I'm going to slip this right back in that box to pass it along. I'm actually going to see if my daughter would like it. This seems like something she would like. But let me tell you a little bit about it, because who isn't excited that we're getting Marc Jacobs in our Boxycharm boxes? I think that's so cool. It is the Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. Give your highlight a shot of skincare inspired by Marc Jacobs' love of coconut water and the glow of youthful, radiant, well-hydrated skin. This luminous gel cream instantly lights up your complexion. It sounds fantastic. Directly highlight skin or blend this concentrated luminizer with foundation and primer to transform them into an illuminating elixir. A little goes a long way. This gel highlighter builds for the ultimate sheen, and the sensual, warm rose gold hue flatters all skin tones with warmth and radiance. 5 forms of coconut and provitamin B help hydrate and nourish the skin. You do too. $45 value. Can you see my brain start working? All skin tones with warm radiance. I can't decide what to do. Yeah, I can't try. I can't in good conscience try it, because if I try it and I can't use it and my daughter doesn't want it, then it's just trash. So I don't want to risk not being able to pass it along. Okay, reaching in next, and right on top we have a Cinnabons Scrub Exfoliator for a smooth, glowing you. Sweet and spicy, just like you, babe. And it is from Frank Body. That is what that looks like. It's a big package. And it doesn't feel as gritty as, you know, the coffee ones usually feel like coffee. This feels almost like sand in there. Let's see what the paperwork says. My Cinnabons Scrub gives your skin the love it needs to fight winter breakouts, dryness, and the blues with antibacterial properties and natural ingredients. Exfoliates, fights breakouts, tones, and smooth skin. Made with roasted coffee grinds, sweet almond oil, honey, and cinnamon. $18.95 value. And it says it is 100% naturally derived, tested on babes, not bunnies, made in Australia, and it contains nuts. Okay, well, I'm not going to open this and the mess that is going to ensue, but that is fun. Next, I have a Kitsch Cleanse Ritual Ice Roller for your overworked, sensitive skin. That is what that looks like. And it is sealed. Well, I'll take it out. I was gonna say, and it is sealed, so I own one of these. So I wasn't gonna take it out, but let me just show you guys. I opened it from the handle end, not the face end. Oh, this one feels nicer than mine. Might be keeping it after all. That is what that looks like. And it's got a nice thick handle. So it gets back to my whole love of the jade rollers. This you can just freeze though. That's awesome. And then you just use it just like you would a jade roller. Let's see what the paperwork says about it. It is an $18 value, and it says, this ice roller is your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. So you just get it cold and you can, oh wow, even just being in my box in my house, which it's probably 70 something in this room I'm in, it is so cold. Oh, that feels so good. Well, I own it now, I guess. There we go. All right, reaching in next, I have a Milk makeup product. It says it is in Lit. Let's see what it is. Highlighter. That is interesting. This is what I chose. This is what they added. In all fairness, this is a much better color for me than this. But that is very interesting that I chose a highlighter and they gave me a highlighter. Let's read about this. A dewy, everyday champagne pearl hued cream highlighter stick that glides on for a natural glow. $28 value. Well, I mean, it is more my color, so we will definitely give it a try, but how very interesting that I chose a highlighter and they gave me one too. When I took it off, by the way, it stuck to the lid. And now that's what the top looks like. Interesting. Well, I'm just going to use what's in the lid. Still seems a little bit dark, but that's what it looks like. It's kind of pretty. Oh, that's very shiny. I like it. I like it. If you guys can tell, I had highlighter right where I just put it like I do over there. I had some highlighter on there, but we're going to add some more. It's a very nice cream. I like this cream a lot. And I have been saying, moving into fall and winter, that I do want to try more creams and fewer powders. So this will be a great way to do it. Let me know below what you think. Highlighter, highlighter. Next, we have an Emma Hardy product. I like Emma Hardy products. They are British, and I have tried a couple of them, and I have really liked them. This is the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. It increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, and offers antioxidant protection. That is what the box looks like. When you take it out, oh, it's a pretty bottle. That's what the oil looks like. I'm going to go ahead and take a minute, read the ingredients, and see if I can use this before we open it up. I can, so we will open it up and check it out in a second. Let me tell you what they've said. The Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. Hydrating and lightweight, the Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into your skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify the skin, while camellia oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. It has a $55 value. I didn't see anything in here that made me think potent essential oils. It does have citrus lemon peel oil in it and black currant seed oil in it. Everything else is really basic. Anyway, we'll give it a try. It's just a nice kind of yellowy. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's very nice. It's just fresh. It doesn't smell too lemony. It smells like a lot of the oils smell. Just, I want to say oily, but it just made me really shiny. Let me put it on the back of both hands and we'll see how quickly it absorbs. Because I don't mind if oils are oily because they're oily. What I care about is how well do they absorb. Is it something that I can only use at night? Is it something that I can apply my makeup over? That's what it's really about for me. I have to tell you, I think this is well on its way to absorbing. See how my skin is kind of glowy, but it's absorbing really nicely. Like I said, I have tried a couple of the Emma Hardy products in the past and really liked them, so I'm anxious to try that. Okay, and last but not least, we have a palette. There were two palettes this month. There was this one by Eloise, and it's called The Queen, and it says, "The Queen lies in all of us." The other one was a Hip Dot. That's what the other palette. And I think everybody in premium got either this one or the Hip Dot one. So let's get in here and check this out. Oh, the colors are gorgeous. Yeah, I'm definitely going to swatch this. These are, look how gorgeous those colors are. They are so pretty. Kind of fall-like, especially along here, but pops of color. I like that a lot. Actually, while I have it like that, let me tell you what this says. The Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us. That's so funny to read that because while we're busy stuck at home, we have been Netflixing and binging through so many shows, and there's a show called Reign. If you guys like things like, you know, talking about queens, it's about Mary Queen of Scots, but it was made for like the CW, so it's like the, what's the nicest way to say that? It's like the pop version. It's really kind of fun. You have to suspend a little bit about what you know about history, but it's still kind of fun. The whole queen thing made me think of it. That's my viewing suggestion for the day. And if I didn't say it, it has a $46 value. And just for the record, I just flipped it over and it is made in China. I'm just gonna do row for row. They feel really creamy. So this is the first row, and I did my thumb. So the first row is Empire, Sheba, Kingdom, Milady, and Curtsy. Ooh, that Curtsy is everything. The two browns did not swatch as well, but in all fairness, I just put that oil on my hand. So after I clean this off, we'll see if they do better. But that's what the first row looks like. There's a really light one over here. Can you see? Yeah, it's shiny, but that's what that first row looks like. How pretty is that Curtsy? So pretty. And the next row, and how gorgeous. I mean, so, this one is kind of got a green tone to it. I hope that's coming across. Anyway, Throne, Powerful, Jules, Rani, or Rainy, and Empress. My thumb for the win again. Let's see what these swatch like. Oh yeah, much better now that the oil is gone off my hand. Yeah, this goldish green one is just, it's gorgeous. Those are so pretty. I hope they work as well as they swatch because those colors, I mean, like, the gorgeous. And the next row, we have Majesty, Queen, Your Highness, Elizabeth, and Crown. I'm telling you, thumb for the win with this palette. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh yeah, and again, that thumb color. Those are just so pretty. I love those purples. This purple is a really true purple. You know, it's hard to get a true purple. Oh, I must have still had some on my finger. It's really hard to get a true purple, and that's really purple. Okay, one more row. Oh my goodness, the color on these bottom rows. This is Monarch, and it looked like it was going to be kind of rusty. I hope that it's coming across. It is rose gold, and it is gorgeous. So we have Monarch, Honorable, Amina, I don't know what that means, Regal, and Sovereign. Thumb for the win again. These are seriously pigmented though, because I will tell you, the back of my hand is stained. I mean, can you guys see underneath that? It is stained under there. These have some serious pigment to them. But again, this one that was on my thumb, that's the Sovereign. It's gorgeous. See how pink all of those look? They look kind of pink and rose goldy. When you look at them on the palette, I anticipated them being more brown. I mean, I started from that side over. And they're really pinky. I love that. All right, so that is that palette, and that is what I got in my Boxycharm Premium for September 2020. Let me know below what you guys think. I know, there were some things in here I couldn't wear, but in all fairness, I did choose one of them. But I got the Queen palette from Eloise, which is gorgeous. This nice Kitsch roller, which I happen to have one. Actually, no, I have two, but my mom, my daughter, somebody will want that. I have the Cinnabons from Frank Body, which is a body scrub for the shower. I have the Milk Makeup Highlighter. I have the Marc Jacobs Highlighter and the Emma Hardy Facial Oil, which felt really nice. And before I had wiped it off this hand, actually, I didn't wipe it off this hand. Yeah, it absorbed really nicely. Okay, that is my Boxycharm Premium box. Let me know below what you think. This was Variation 9, and I'm sure everybody else has their boxes already, but it was 2.6 pounds, if that helps anybody out, if you still have something in transit, and the value was $210.80. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you being here, taking the time to come over, say hi. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.